No, don't.
You're about to get tased. No. Get down.
Just after 9:30 a.m. on a seemingly ordinary Friday morning, Officer Josh Baker from the East Precinct was on patrol near Brick Church Pike and Ewing Drive. What happened next would change everything. Officer Baker spotted a black 2015 Chevrolet Camaro. He knew this vehicle belonged to Demond Buchanan, a convicted felon with 6 outstanding drug warrants. The officer, anticipating a potential chase, the Camaro stopped in the parking lot of a Dollar General store, but to Officer Baker's surprise, the driver was not Buchanan, but Nika Nicole Holbert. In her bag.
Ma'am, stop going through it. This.
As Officer Baker attempted to detain Holbert while waiting for backup, she pulled out a gun. In response, Officer Baker drew his service pistol and demanded she drop the weapon.
No, hold
Turn
on.
around.
Don't put me in handcuffs. I haven't done anything wrong.
Ma'am.
No, don't put me
You're
in
about to get tased. Get down. Get down on the ground. Down on the ground.
I didn't do nothing.
Step out. Ma'am, put the gun down.
Tragically, Holbert fired first, hitting Officer Baker in the side, where his bulletproof vest offered no protection. The officer returned fire, and Holbert fled in the Camaro.
23 shots fired. Shots fired. 23, I'm hit.
Holbert drove for about a block before crashing near the intersection of Brick Church Pike. Officers on the scene rendered aid, but she later died at a local hospital. Officer Baker, thankfully, is in stable condition after undergoing surgery. This incident raises several critical legal questions. First, let's discuss the legal grounds for Officer Baker's actions. Under Tennessee law, officers have the authority to detain individuals if there is probable cause to believe they are involved in criminal activity. Finding illegal substances provided such probable cause. However, the use of force, especially deadly force, is highly regulated. Officers are trained to use the minimum force necessary to protect themselves and others. When Holbert brandished a firearm, Officer Baker's response with his service pistol was a legally permissible action to protect his life. The principle of self-defense comes into play here. The community's reaction has been mixed, with many expressing sorrow for the loss of life and concern over the incident's escalation. It's a tragedy for everyone involved. We need to look at how we can prevent situations like this from happening in the future. Incidents like these highlight the dangers law enforcement officers face daily and the importance of adherence to legal protocols to ensure everyone's safety.
How did the officer know this morning when he put on his work uniform, because that's just a work uniform? What people don't understand is, first, he's a human being, okay? He's just going to work. Now, one person is dead and he's in the hospital fighting for his life. And what sense does that make?
Thank you for joining us as we unpack this complex and tragic incident. Our hearts go out to the families affected. Stay tuned for more updates and insights on current events. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay informed.